In this video, I will be showing you how to make creamy pasta, the easiest and most basic way ever. You already know on this channel, we keep things simple with our homemade cooking cream. If you have not seen that video, check my previous post, okay? First, start by cutting your vegetables. I'm using 3 different bell peppers for this recipe. Slice them into any shape you prefer. Next, slice your habanero peppers. The quantity you use depends on your personal preference. Then bring some water to boil and add your pasta. I'm using this particular shape, but you can use any type you have at home, whether it's spaghetti or any other form of pasta. After that, chop your onions and set them aside. Finally, dice your tomatoes into smaller pieces and set that aside as well. In a dry pan, add your butter and allow it to melt. Then add the chopped onions and fry it for 1 minute. Next, add your chopped peppers. Followed by the tomatoes. After a few minutes of frying, season with salt, seasoning cubes and curry powder. Then stir beautifully to combine. Cook for about 2 minutes until the tomatoes softened. Then pour in your heavy cream or cooking cream and mix properly. Next, add your cooked pasta and stir everything until it's well combined. Now add a bit of your reserved pasta water and mix very well. After a few minutes, add the bell peppers and stir everything to combine. Remember to cook on a low heat. And in just few seconds, your food is ready. I'm sure you will love this recipe. It's so easy and simple to make. Thank you so much for watching this video up until this moment. Please do well to support your girl by subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay blessed. See you in my next video. Bye.